What is a Wi-Fi network name and password?
Your Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, is how your wireless network appears to devices. The password protects your network from unauthorized access. Customizing both not only makes your Wi-Fi easier to identify, but also helps keep your internet connection secure. Changing them is a simple way to enhance privacy and manage who can connect.
Why should you change your Wi-Fi name and password?
Changing the default network name and password prevents neighbors and strangers from easily accessing your internet. Default settings are often predictable, making them a security risk. A unique name helps you recognize your network, while a strong password greatly reduces the chance of someone hacking in or slowing down your connection.
How do you access your Wi-Fi router settings?
To change your network details, first connect to your Wi-Fi and open a web browser. Enter your router's IP address, commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168, into the address bar. Log in using the admin username and password. These are often found on the router label, in its manual, or provided by your internet service provider.
How can you change the network name and password?
Once logged into your router, look for the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section. Here, you can change the SSID to your preferred network name. Enter a new, strong password, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Save your changes. Your router may restart, disconnecting current devices. Reconnect all your devices using the updated information.
What makes a strong Wi-Fi password?
A secure Wi-Fi password should be at least 12 characters combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information or common words. Examples include creative phrases, random sequences, or a password manager's suggestion. Regularly updating your password further protects your network from unwanted access.
What if you forget your router login or lose access?
If you can't access your router settings, check for a reset button on your device. Hold it for about 10 seconds to restore factory settings. You'll then need to reconfigure your network. Consult your router's manual or your service provider for support if you get stuck. Keeping a record of your new settings is always a good idea.